I'm happy to hear how well the new Sunday evening Mass is going.
Yes, there's definitely a large increase of young adult parishioners.
Good, good. That's definitely gonna put a lot of life into our parish.
But when Father Jose moves into the assisted living center in June, I will need some help.
Of course, I recommend you start looking for a lay administrator, and then we can start talking to the bishop about hiring some weekend assistants.
I really think the parish needs a new Jesuit.
The truth is, I just don't have enough men, Radmar. You know how the decreased vocations have been affecting all the ministries?
We have 7 men being ordained this year. How about one of them?
They're all going to be assigned to our high schools and colleges.
All of them?
Well, this group of ordinands happen to feel called to education.
This new generation, they don't like parish work, so they don't do it.
As provincial, I do understand that there is a need in your parish, but there's also a need in the schools, one that I've decided is much more pressing.
Is this because of that story about whether our schools are Jesuit and Catholic enough?
Partly, that article was really discouraging. I want there to be no doubt that our schools are both thoroughly Jesuit and Catholic.
How can we be a Jesuit parish without Jesuits? I cannot do it all.
I know you can't.
I'm close to retirement, Mark. When Father Jose leaves, there will be only one Jesuit left.
Radmar, so many of our ministries are down to one Jesuit. We need to train lay people.
Do you really think that a layperson can understand our proceedings, can understand our Ignatian values?
We're not forming them to become Jesuits. We're training them to live at our charism. We need the lay people to be in charge.
Are you sure you cannot even spare one guy? How about Miguel? He's recently ordained, is full of energy, and would add so much to our community.
Miguel will be heading up campus ministry at the university. If you recall, that article was particularly critical of campus ministry.
How can I forget? One of the campus ministers organized a spa day as a spiritual retreat.
It stretches the idea of finding God in all things, doesn't it?
It certainly does.
So, Miguel will be focusing on making sure the lay staff have a better understanding in our mission and the ministry.
And you'd like me to do the same after hiring a layperson. Mark, I can barely manage all the parish responsibilities. How am I supposed to fit this in too?